Hello viewers, you are welcome to the Don's Consult. Today we are going to treat a jam question that has to do with empirical formula and vapor density. The question goes thus: say what is the molecular formula of a compound with empirical formula CH2 and vapor density 42, and you are given in bracket C to be 12 and H to be 1, and the options were given: option A 6H12, option B C3H6, option C 6C4H8, and option D C5H10. So to solve this, you have to, before we continue, let me remind you that we still need you to subscribe, and of course tell as many as you can about this channel. For here we make chemistry very simple, and we make you ready for your exams. As you prepare for your WAEC and JAMB, we are here to partner with you for distinctions. So let's quickly solve this. To solve this, we're going to use this formula. Remember, there's a formula, molecular formula, which is equal to empirical formula bracket N equals to relative molecular formula. That's the formula we are going to use. So that is empirical, let this F stand for formula, okay, bracket N equals to relative molecular, let me write formula, it could be relative molecular mass, all are the same. All right, okay, just want to make it short. Okay, remember this formula, that's what we are going to use. But before that, recall there's a formula that we have as vapor density that is equals to relative molecular mass over 2. You recall this formula, right? So that's what we are going to do to find, because in this case now we are not given the relative molecular mass of the compound. We're only told that what is the molecular formula of a compound. What compound, we don't know. All right, so to get the relative molecular mass of that compound, we have to use this formula first. After using this formula, then we'll come to apply this initial formula. Do you understand? Okay, the vapor density given to us in the question is what? 42. So that will be 42 equals to the relative molecular mass we are looking for, all over 2. All right, so if you cross multiply here, relative molecular mass will be equals to 42 times 2, and of course 42 times 2, that will give you 84. So the relative molecular mass of that compound is 84. So we now come to apply this formula here now. All right, and that to apply this formula, what is the empirical formula given to us? The empirical formula given to us is CH2, isn't it? And the N, we stand for the number of the number we are going to obtain as a molecular from using that molecular formula method. All right, so I mind you, the relative molecular mass given to us here now that we have gotten now is what? 84. All right, so now we expatiate this brackets by using these factors in given to you. Carbon is 12, all right, plus hydrogen is 1, and it occurred 2 times. Then in bracket we have the N equals to 84. So 12 plus 2 will give you what? That's 14. 14 N equals to 84. Therefore, N will be equals to what? 84 all over 14. 84 all over 14 is what? Punch with your calculator, but if you can do 14 times 6, it's always 84. So the answer is 6. All right. Okay, so that N is 6. Therefore, now what were you asked to find? Molecular formula. So the molecular formula will now be what? That will be CH2 in brackets. That N that you got now is 6. So multiply it through by removing the bracket. C in 6, that will be 6 is 2 times 6, that will be H12. So this is the final answer. And you can see the correct answer is option what? Option A. That's how simple chemistry can be, and that's what we do here at the Don's Consult. We are here to partner with you to getting that distinction that you want. Like this video, please, comment and share. Thank you. See you in another video. This is the Don's Consult.